How are you students? In this video we will solve exercise 5.2. This exercise is based on the concept of factors and multiples. Okay. In the last exercise I explained the idea of factors and multiples. So it is the same concept. Now I am going to tell you few facts about factors. What is a factor? A factor is exact divisor of a number. Exact divisor means the remainder equals 0. For example, if you divide 18 by 3, then it is 3 6 ja 18. The remainder is 0. You can write 0 also. So the remainder is 0 means 18 is exactly divisible by 3. So we can say 3 is the factor of 18. And a factor, okay, a factor is less than or equal to the given number. For example, the factor of 4 are 1, 2 and 4 because 4 comes in the table of all these. So ultimately हम ये कह सकते हैं कि फैक्टर एक ऐसा नंबर है जिसकी टेबल में गिवन नंबर ऑलवेज आएगा. 4 के फैक्टर 1, 2 और 4 ये तीनों हैं. मींस 1 की टेबल में 4 आएगा, 2 की टेबल में भी आएगा और 4 की टेबल में भी आएगा. सो वी कैन से दैट 4 इज ऑल्सो अ फैक्टर ऑफ 4. तो हम कह सकते हैं कि कोई नंबर खुद का भी फैक्टर होता है. वी कैन से नंबर is a factor of itself and 1 is always the factor of any number. Finally we can say any number has at least 2 factors. किसी भी नंबर के कम से कम 2 फैक्टर्स होते हैं. एक तो होता है 1 और एक वो नंबर खुद होता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 7 के फैक्टर्स क्या होंगे? 1 and 7. तो इस तरह के नंबर को हम प्राइम नंबर कहते हैं. बट इट इज नॉट इन द स्कोप ऑफ योर सिलेबस. अभी हम इतना ही डिस्कस करेंगे. ओके. Now, few properties related to factors are okay. So we will cover these concepts and the questions are based on these. So question number 1, find the factors of the following. There are 6 parts. I solve any 3. 7. So there is a proper method. 7 is equal to 1 into 7. आप 7 को इस तरह से लिख सकते हैं और कोई भी अदर वे में आप नहीं लिख सकते. तो फैक्टर्स क्या हो गए? फैक्टर्स आर 1 and 7. सिंपल. ओके. देन थर्ड पार्ट 16. सी it is written as 1 into 16. Also it is written as 2 into 8. Then it is not divisible by 3. Now we can write 4 into 4. Okay. Then after 5 it is not divisible. 6, 7, 8 it is divisible by 8, but 8 already has appeared, so we will not repeat the process. Now write all these numbers in this way. Okay. Think that all the numbers are put in a big glass. तो आपको क्या लिखना? 1, 2, 4 is repeated. 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. These are the factors. So you write factors are 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. Again you can see 1 is always the factor of every number and a number is also a factor of itself. Then next part I solve fifth part 48. So listen, factors of 48 are 1 into 48. आप जब भी किसी नंबर के फैक्टर्स फाइंड करें आपको 1 से स्टार्ट करना है. 1 into number itself, 1 into number itself. और 48 क्या होगा? 1 into number itself. Then start with 2. this is even number, so it is divisible. 2 into 24, okay. Then 3 into 16, you should remember the tables. 3 into 16, then 4 into 12, by 5 not divisible, by 6, 6 into 8, 7 से divisible नहीं होगा तो हम 7 consider नहीं करेंगे. Then 8, okay, but 8 has already appeared, so stop the process and write the numbers in this order. So starting with 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Now you have to write that factors are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 16, 24, 48. These are the factors of 48. Okay students, note it down. Now second question. Find the common factors of the following. Common factors means first you will find the factors of given numbers, then select the common numbers. Okay, that will be the common factor. So first question is 8 and 12. Now you have to write factors of 8 equals, तो 8 किस नंबर की टेबल में आता है वही उसका फैक्टर होगा. 1 की टेबल में आएगा, 2 की टेबल में आएगा, 4 and 8. इन चारों की टेबल में 8 आएगा. That's why these are the factors of 8. Similarly, you have to write factors of 12 equals. तो हम देखते हैं 12 किसकी टेबल में आता है. 1 की टेबल में आएगा, 2 की टेबल में भी आएगा, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Okay. Now common factors. Common factors means which numbers are common here and here. कौन से नंबर आपके पास कॉमन है दोनों में. See, 1 is there, 2 is also there, 3 is not common, 4 is there. 1, 2, 4, 8 is not there, and 6 and 12 are not there. So the answer is 1, 2 and 4. Now I will solve third part. There are total 4 parts. I am going to solve any 2 because you will solve the remaining part. So third part is 7 and 16. Listen, important thing is that you must remember the tables. तो 7 के फैक्टर्स क्या होंगे. ओके, आप डायरेक्ट लिख सकते हैं 7. ओके, फैक्टर्स ऑफ 7 क्या होंगे. 1 and 7. देन फैक्टर्स ऑफ 16. 16 के फैक्टर क्या होंगे. 1, देन 2 की टेबल में भी आता है, देन 4, 8, 16. ओके, सो द कॉमन फैक्टर you can write. कॉमन फैक्टर्स आर, कौन सा कॉमन फैक्टर होगा. 1 is there. Okay, 1. Now 7 is not there and these numbers do not appear here. तो 1 ही ऐसा नंबर है जो यहां भी है और इन फैक्टर्स में भी है. That's why the common factor is 1. Note it down. Okay, question number 4. I omit third question. You will solve in the assignment. Find the largest number by which 45 and 75 are divisible completely. So the largest number, it means it will be the largest common factor. So we have to find out the factors. Factors of 45 are, कौन से फैक्टर्स होंगे. 1. ओके, इट इज ऑड नंबर तो ये 2 से डिविजिबल नहीं होगा, 3 से डिविजिबल होगा. ओके, देन 4 से डिविजिबल नहीं होगा, 5 से डिविजिबल होगा, 5. देन बाय 6, 7, 8 नॉट, एंड इट इज डिविजिबल बाय 9, देन 15 एंड देन 45. These are the factors of 45. Okay, and factors of 75 are 75. So 1 is there, you can also write in this way, 1 and 75 are the factors, right, comma, then start with 2, this is an odd number, so try with 3, 3 is a factor because 25 3s are 75, then 4 not, okay, by 5 it is divisible, 15 5s are 75, then by 6 not, 7 8 9 10, okay, so these are the factors of 75. Now you can write 1 3 and 5, these are the factors of 75, and we have to find the largest number by which these numbers are completely divisible. तो इनमें से कौन सा नंबर है जो दोनों में कॉमन है और लार्जेस्ट है? सी 1 is there, 3 is also there, 5, then 15 is also there, okay, so 15 is the largest common factor, largest number, so we have to write the largest common factor is 15. This is answer. Okay students, note it down. Now I solve sixth question. Find the largest common factor of 15, 27 and 36. So largest common factor, you can just write factors of 15 are, तो 15 के फैक्टर क्या होंगे? 1, तो जब भी आप 1 लिखो यहाँ पे आपको सेम नंबर लिखना है, बिकॉज 1 एंड द नंबर इटसेल्फ आर ऑलवेज द फैक्टर्स. 15 1 15, देन राइट 3 and here 5. So the factors are 1, 3, 5 and 15. So you can write all these numbers properly. Okay. Factors of 27 are, next number is 27. तो 27 के फैक्टर क्या होते हैं? 1 and 27. Then it is odd number. So हमें 2, 4, 6 और 8 के बारे में बिल्कुल नहीं सोचना है. So try with odd numbers. 3 से divisible है, 3 9 जा 27. Then try with other numbers, odd numbers, okay. Then by this is an odd number. Actually odd number never comes in the table of even number. तो हमें सिर्फ odd numbers ट्राई करना है. ये 5 से divisible नहीं है, 7 से भी नहीं है, 9 से है, 9 is already there. Then by 11, 13, 15 not. So these are the factors, and factors of 36. Okay, 36 are. So we start with 1, 36 1 जा 36. This is another method of writing the factors. आपको 1 से स्टार्ट करना है. You know that 36 1 जा 36, तो कुछ गैप आपको रख के वो नंबर लिखना है. Then try with 2. You know that 18 2 जा 36. Then with 3, so it is 12 3 जा 36. Then with 4 4 9 जा 36, and then with 6. Okay, so these are the factors. Because 6 6 जा 36, तो 6 रिपीट हो रहा है, इसलिए हम प्रोसेस को यही स्टॉप करेंगे. इट मीन्स द फैक्टर्स ऑफ 36 आर 1 2 3 4 6 9 12 8 and 36. Okay, and the largest common factor, so we have to write largest common factor is, you have to select the largest number which appears here, here and here. So 1 is there, 3 is also there, 5 not, 5 is there but not in these cases. Then 15 is not there, so the answer is 3, because 3 ऐसा largest number है जो इन फैक्टर्स में भी है, यहाँ भी है और यहाँ भी है. We can say the largest common factor of 15, 27 and 36 is 3. Note it down. Now I am going to solve question number 7. I will omit question number 8. It's very easy. Okay, see, this is question number 8 on page number 41. You have to just fill up the factors, then common factors, and then the largest common factors. The answers are given in the book, so you can match your answer. Seventh question is 2 cans of milk contain 20 and 30 liter milks respectively. What is the measure of the largest utensils so that which can measure both cans completely? It means this is a can which measures 20 liters and this is another can which measures 30 liters. Okay, now दिस इज अ प्रैक्टिकल क्वेश्चन. आपको क्या करना है कि हमारे पास दो पॉट हैं जिनसे हम 20 लीटर और 30 लीटर के क्वांटिटी का जो मिल्क है वो मेजर कर सकते हैं. तो हमारे पास और कितने ऐसे कंटेनर या कैन होने चाहिए जिनसे हम इन दोनों क्वांटिटी को मेजर कर सकते हैं. तो उनमें से हाईएस्ट कैपेसिटी का जो कैन है वो कितने लीटर का होगा. Now you can imagine that if we have a 1 liter can, we can measure 20 liter with the help of this. Okay, we will fill it 20 times, fill it then empty, fill it then empty. Now maybe there is 2 liter can, 3 liter can. So ultimately we have to find the largest common factor of both these numbers. This is the question related to largest common factor. But in the question it is not asked, not required that find the largest common factor. This question is asked in a different way. Now factors of 20 are 1, 2, okay, 4, 5. This is 10 and 20. All right. Factors of 30 are 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Okay, then 10, 15, 30 and largest common factor is, which is the largest? 1 is there, 2, then 4, 5, 10, 20. So 5 is there, 10 is also there, 20 is not there and 15 and 30 are not there. So the largest value is 10, that is 10. So it is 10 and we can write the answer that the measure of largest utensil is 10 liters. Okay students, note it down. So students, we have finished this exercise 5.2 and obviously the chapter also. This chapter has only 2 exercises. Okay, and we will start next chapter in the next video. The chapter is about understanding fractions. So solve the questions which I didn't solve in this video. Honestly try to solve. This concept is very easy. Questions are also easier and interesting. Okay students, so stay at home, stay safe. Best of luck.